What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jto, which has pumped up just over 20% in the last 24 hours. Most of it did come from the last couple of hours here since earlier this morning, and we're going to be looking at what is next for Jto. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? As you guys can see, over the last 7 days it has taken quite of a dip, 15% down, and right now pumping back up. So we're going to be looking at its prediction in 2024. Is it crypto to be investing into? Should you avoid it, or should you sell it and take out your profits after this pump? And also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as most of you guys would know, Jto is not one of the cryptos that's been around for a long time. It was listed on Binance on the 7th of December, so it's just about got a month worth of data. So we are going to have to stick to the short-term prediction rather than the long-term, because there's not much historical data on the crypto, and if I do go for the long-term prediction, it won't be accurate. And as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information. So Jto is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is doing very well. But because it is a new crypto, it could be very volatile and it could literally just drop back down in value. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart. Start off for the next couple of hours and then move on to the next few days and potentially over the week and so on. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we can see that Jto is performing above the SMA indicator here in orange, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. As you guys can see, the SMA indicator is currently at $1.80, but the crypto is trading at $1.84. So it is pretty much on target and performing better than expected. So zooming in, let's make this chart a little bit bigger just to give you guys a clearer view. So zooming into the 15-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is going in a positive direction. However, it does look like it is going in a straight line as well, but it is just about slanting towards the positive direction guys. So over the next 6-7 hours, so by this evening, Jto should be trading around $1.90, $1.93, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Jto to be trading at. Reason for that is I'm expecting minimal increases in value from the crypto, but again I'm also expecting dips in between where it's likely to hit red candles, just like how it's been performing over the last couple of hours. It has been pumping with red candles in between, and that is what I'm expecting to repeat over the next 8 to 9 hours. So by this evening it should be trading at a slightly higher value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we'll still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, compared to the previous chart, it is looking a little bit more steep. As you guys can see here, if I zoom in a little bit, it is looking quite steep, meaning it may not be as realistic as the previous chart. So let's say over the next 2 to 3 days guys, potentially over the weekend and early next week, according to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected. However, I am expecting it to drop back down to where it was trading at earlier on. So if we go back to the CoinMarketCap website here, it was trading at around $1.50, $1.55. So by early next week, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down below $1.60. Below that target price range is where I'm expecting Jto to be trading at. Reason for this is because it's taken quite a major pump earlier this morning, meaning it is overvalued. So it is due for a drop back in value over the weekend and early next week, which means it is likely to drop below $1.60. But in between, of course, do expect green candles as expected, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value from Jto over the next 2 to 3 days. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, next couple of days, so over the next week or so, so let's say by the end of next week, an overall increase in value is again expected from the graph here, as you guys can see at the bottom. However, Jto should be trading around $1.60 to 65 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of next week. And again, as you guys can see, over the last couple, well, throughout early January, as you guys can see here, it has taken a major dip in value and right now starting to pump back up a little bit. So yes, $1.60 over the next couple of days, and then slowly starting to gain value up to $1.65 towards mid to end of next week, and potentially heading back up to about $1.80 is what I would say over the next 8 days. So by the end of next week, early the week after that, it should be hovering around the $1.80 to 85 cents and potentially hitting the $2 mark towards end of January is what I'm expecting at the moment. But if there are any changes to that, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 160% in the last 24 hours, making it $184 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in value from Jto, and also a percentage increase, because it's pumping right now. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general a lot more traders, which is also helping the value of Jto pump up as well. So overall, it is performing quite well, and the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours as more and more people will start to trade the crypto as it is carry on pumping. And especially if it manages to go around the $2 mark, then yes, we could see a major increase in trading. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jto, guys. Comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024, and also, are you guys buying it, or are you guys selling it, or are you guys just watching it over just like myself? Because as previously mentioned in many of my videos on this crypto, I have not invested into the crypto, and I will not be investing into it anytime soon, as it is a new project and it's been very volatile. So I don't seem to think that it is a sustainable project to be investing into. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.